physicians or any medical care person, but we do emphasize them, and particularly sympathy. Patients pick up on that very quickly. And the other thing in neurology is that often is the case you can see the abnormality as you're taking the history. If somebody has an obvious paralysis on one side or an obvious cranial nerve palsy or perhaps some speech disorder, it becomes obvious during the examination. And that happens. It's worth emphasizing that that actually happens as part of history taking. So what is more specific then about neurology? Well, we often determine handedness because that is going to determine which lobe is dominant. Now, most students know by now that the left lobe is dominant in 95% of us, and we are right-handed. But that is important when you are going to interpret the physical findings. For example, right hip grease is often associated with the speech abnormality because the speech area is involved. After that then, the history becomes rather like any other history. You lead off with an open question, what is the problem? You allow the patient to tell the story. I always write down the history as it is happening, and I use the chronological method. In other words, please tell me from beginning how it started, how it has progressed, how is it continuing, is it getting better, getting worse. The way I start the history is I often let the patient tell me the presenting complaints in a row. What has gone wrong with